Welcome to 4K Urban Explorer. Today, we're in one of the most iconic places in all of Tijuana, Avenida Revolución. Known simply as La Revu, this street has been the heart of the city's social, cultural, and tourist life for more than a century. Before we begin today's journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 4K city explorations from around the world. Walking along this avenue, you'll see a mix of history and modern energy. In the early 1900s, Avenida Revolución became a popular stop for American tourists. During Prohibition in the United States, visitors flocked here for drinks, nightlife, and entertainment they couldn't find back home. That legacy of tourism shaped the avenue, and even today you'll still find bars, cantinas, and clubs that keep the party going late into the night. Revolution isn't just about nightlife. It's also a center for shopping. Souvenir shops line the street, offering everything from handmade crafts and leather goods to colorful textiles and traditional Mexican art. The street is also dotted with murals and sculptures, many created by local artists, giving the avenue a vibrant, creative feel. One of the most recognizable landmarks here is the Tijuana Arch, officially called Arco de Tijuana. Built in the year 2000, it stands 60 meters tall and has become a modern symbol of the city. You can see it from almost anywhere along Avenida Revolución, guiding visitors straight into the heart of downtown. Food is another reason people visit this area. Street vendors and restaurants serve up Tijuana's famous flavors, from tacos al pastor sizzling on the grill to the city's iconic Caesar salad, which was first invented just a few blocks away at Caesar's restaurant in the 1920s. Avenida Revolución remains one of the best places to experience the city's food culture. Over the years, Revolución has gone through ups and downs. There were times when tourism slowed and many businesses closed their doors. But today, the avenue is experiencing a revival. New cafes, galleries, and cultural spaces have opened, attracting not only tourists but also locals who want to enjoy the history and energy of this place. As you walk, you'll notice the mix of old and new. Traditional curio shops stand beside trendy coffee houses. Historic buildings share the avenue with modern street art. It's a perfect reflection of Tijuana itself, a city of contrasts, constantly reinventing while staying true to its roots. Avenida Revolución is more than just a street. It's a living timeline of Tijuana's past and present, from Prohibition-era parties to today's art and culture scene.